So I'm saving the changes. Let me just repeat the process so that it picks up. Okay. So just to confirm that things are up to date, let me confirm once more. So it has been updated, but hope it will deploy. Let me refresh the page first of all. Just repeating the deployment so that we see if it passes. So giving it some time. So far so good. So far so good. Okay. Seems all good. Compressing, passing down, launching. So to the app. So this is where we have our app, where we can be viewing it. You can open directly from, open the app, or you can even just nice. The deployment is successful, so I can do. Let me just copy the URL. Or ideally you can just open the app, though I think I'm on the settings. I had set it to maintenance, so I think it won't be displaying that, but let me just check if the deployment is successful from this end. So yes, updated, deployed 1 minute ago. Let me just check the status, overall status, hoping that it is successful too. So 51 times, so the last deployment here at least. So deployment has been successful, but maybe just that to mention. So on deployment, matters to do with accessibility and performance. So I optimized the database queries so that I did that, and also implemented the pagination to handle large database setup effectively. So the environment variable like secret keys, database URL are secretly managed. So if you could remember where we had the secret keys, so they are well managed. So it has no much of issues. We don't have so much issues from that end. So the gate is getting, can see it. If I do the installation is okay, the URL is being fetched okay, the module, I hope I've not erased anything, the malware can be checked, then app itself, of course, being deployed and all that. So far so good. So let me just check. So another entity on deployment is the Heroku link URL. So of course, using a live API link from the postman has to be demonstrated, whereby the lone endpoints, like you can be seen on real time. So let me just check on the entities of the resources here. So I had to make patches for the two, so that the deployment can go through. Can be changed, you can find more, but we can as well check. I know it is on maintenance, so it is giving us that error. I'd like to make changes. On deployment, so that at least it is not, it is automated. So yes, of course, the secret key, yeah, needs to be off. So let's just check once more. Deployment. So can take note of the URLs, maybe for the sake of all these I had done. I was saving I had saved, so we have the links, the APIs as such for the respective code links. So that was deployment. And for this project, basically I faced some challenges, of course, deploying it and all that, so it was not a clean throughout the process, but I faced the following challenges, and this is how I solved it. So one, the JWT authentication. So initially I faced issues with the token expiry and refresh mechanism, so I solved this by integrating the Django's simple JWT library and configuring token lifetime. Number two was error handling, so ensuring comprehensive error feedback required adding custom exceptions for common scenarios, such like authorized access. Then another issue I faced was the database optimization, so I optimized queries using indexing and avoided the n+1 query issues by prefetching relative data. So that was most of the work in terms of the project.